Social media can be a fun place, but also a place where celebrities get caught in a bunch of lies. These are some more celebrities who got caught lying on Instagram. I'm your host for this one, Joss Bedard. Yes, we are doing a part 3. I love catching people in a good old lie. Let's get into it. Starting off our list at number 10 is Bow Wow. It is probably not that surprising to learn that some celebrities pretend to have more money and fame than they really do. Bow Wow is one of these celebrities, but he got caught in his lie on social media. It all started when he posted a picture to his Instagram showing his fans that he was traveling by a private plane. He posted a picture of the jet and captioned it, "Travel Day, New York City press run for growing up hip hop. Let's go. I promise to bring y'all the hottest show ever." It seemed legit until someone Snapchatted a photo of him sharing the same flight as them, sitting in economy class. The user shared the image all over social media and people ripped on him for lying about it. They didn't care that he was a celebrity flying in economy class, they cared that he lied about it. Honestly, they probably would have liked him more if he was just honest about it. I think it would be really cool and respectable if I saw a celebrity flying in economy class. That's humble. Coming up next is Noah Cyrus. The singer caused a stir online in December 2020 after using a racially offensive word on her Instagram story, but then lied about it afterwards. Well, people think she was lying, she denied it. She was defending Harry Styles in one of her Instagram stories and wrote, "He wears this dress better than any of you nappy ass hoes." She was defending Harry because he wore a dress on the cover of Vogue and then faced a ton of backlash for it. While we can respect that she was sticking up for her friend, people were not thrilled with her choice of wording. After she took the heat, she apologized on Instagram and said she didn't know that the word nappy was a derogatory term and said she thought it meant tired. She explained that she didn't know the history of the word and did not mean to offend anyone. Do you believe her? Or do you think she's lying? I like Noah Cyrus, but I have a hard time believing you thought the word B meant tired. Making his way into number 8 is Soulja Boy. We'd be lying if we didn't admit that social media is a place for people to brag about their lives and their achievements. Instagram is pretty much a highlight reel of good moments from someone's life. So Soulja Boy bragging about how rich he is isn't all that surprising. What people were surprised about is the fact that he was lying about it. In 2014, he posted a picture on his Instagram of him holding up stacks of money that looked like $100 bills. At first glance, you might have seen the picture and not thought anything of it, but people online pointed out that the paper behind the first bill is all just stacks of white blank paper. All the stacks of cash say that they are worth $10,000, but people were not buying it. After he was called out, he covered up by saying that the money was a prop for a music video and that he just took a picture of it. Cruising into number 7 is Bella Thorne. If you missed all the drama last year with Bella and OnlyFans, let me explain. The actress joined the app and started breaking records for how much money she was making on the app. But then people revealed she was not following their policies and was overcharging fans for photos. Bella ended up apologizing on Instagram and said she didn't know the rules and that she only joined OnlyFans in the first place to do research for an upcoming movie with director Sean Baker. But then he came forward with a statement and called her out for lying. He released a statement saying, "I would like to make it clear that the news of me making a film about OnlyFans and using Bella Thorne as research is false." Bella swears her intentions were to help the sex working industry, not hurt it, but some people were not convinced. I think that's a pretty lame excuse. Up next, number 6 is Jake Paul. He is known for his rowdy behavior, so anytime one of his crazy stunts ends up online, it's really no surprise. But one of his more recent stunts seemed to be incredibly unnecessary and immature. Jake posted a video on Instagram showing him and his team driving by Dylan Danis during a street interview and chucking toilet paper rolls at him from their pickup truck. Dylan ended up chasing after the truck and it was this whole brawl between them online afterwards. But then a new video clip surfaced from different angles of the alleged toilet paper attack and it looked like the entire thing was staged. Honestly, it looked so fake. People started calling him out for lying and said the whole thing was planned out to be this like publicity stunt for both of them. Halfway through our list, at number 5 is Khloe Kardashian. This one is honestly so ridiculous, it's not something worth lying about in the first place. It was a big debate on whether or not she was lying, so you're gonna have to be the judge on this one. Back in 2015, 2017, she uploaded a picture on her Instagram showing different desserts that she claimed to have baked for Thanksgiving. In her caption, she wrote how she was proud of herself and said she set up her tripod and filmed her baking session in the kitchen. People believed her because she said the videos would be up on her app soon along with the different recipes, so that's a big lie. But then some truth came out and a bakery owner called her out and said the baked goods in the photo came from her bakery. The owner was from an LA bakery called Sweet Lady Jane, who also had the same baked goods on her page. Fans were very disappointed because there was actually no proof that she baked them. They did not see these videos, but maybe she modeled hers to look like that girl's baked goods. I'm not sure. What do you guys think? In spot number 4, we have Tana Mongeau. Let's be honest, she is basically the queen of Photoshop. And the only reason I can say that so bluntly is because she openly jokes about it all the time, calling herself the queen of Facetune. Like a lot of other influencers, she often gets criticized for heavily editing her photos. One picture in particular sparked a huge controversy after she posted a bikini shot to her Instagram. But then behind the scene videos and pictures surfaced from the same beach photo shoot and showed Tana looking completely different. Not bad by any means, but you could just very much see how drastic the changes were on her body in the picture that she posted. At first, some people defended her and said people were photoshopping these behind the scene pictures and videos to make her look worse, but Tana has admitted to this incident ever since then and said it was one of the worst editing fails she's ever had. Cruising into number 3, we have Max Eric. Demi Lovato fans were not letting him get off easy with this one. The Young and the Restless actor was known as Demi's fiance for a little while, but then they split and he did not handle it the way she had hoped. They seemed like the perfect couple, but then screenshots surfaced showing old messages he had sent to Demi's friend, Selena Gomez. The messages were sent before he got with Demi 2 years ago, but in the messages you could see he had a huge fangirl stalker crush on Selena, and he even posted a tweet that said Selena was prettier than Demi. That's awkward. We're not sure if that is the reason as to why they split, but we're thinking that that has a big part of it. After all of it came to surface, he denied everything on Instagram and went on a live stream to say that he was way over Demi and did not care, blah blah blah, you know, the whole speech. But reports exposed him and showed that Demi actually had to get a lawyer involved because he would not stop contacting her and her family members. So he very much did care. Up next, number 2, we have Francesca Farrago and Hailey Kiyur. Now I am putting both of them together because I honestly don't know who is telling the truth right now, because the whole situation is playing out right now. The two hot to handle stars were the best of friends, but then Hailey went to Francesca's ex-fling, Tana Mongeau, and said that she tested positive during COVID and continued to go out and party. Francesca's ex, Harry Jowsey, leaked Hailey's messages online, and that is when everything got really messy. The internet started attacking Francesca, calling her horrible things and trying to cancel her career. Then Francesca shared her side of the story on Instagram and said she was irresponsible for traveling during COVID, but that when she tested positive, she stayed in for her 10-day quarantine. She even shared some screenshots to prove her side was true. So honestly, it's really hard to know who is the one technically lying on Instagram because they have both posted screenshots, so we don't know who to believe. We're just gonna have to wait and see how this plays out. Coming in number 1 is Oprah Winfrey. Okay, technically this one happened on Twitter and then it got moved to Instagram, so I'm gonna let this one slide because it is too funny not to share. She is one of the most influential women of all time, so it's not surprising that companies are dying to work with her and to get her to promote their stuff. Majority of the time, she endorses brands in a very mature manner, but one time she really screwed up and it was hilarious. It started back in 2012 when she tweeted her thoughts on the Microsoft Surface, saying, "Gotta say, love that Surface. Have bought 12 already for Christmas gifts. Hashtag favorite things." But the thing is, she tweeted from her iPhone and it showed in her tweet, which just proved that she was using an Apple product. So how much did she really like the Surface? Her fans called her out for it. One user replied and said, "How much more would Microsoft have to pay you to get you to post that tweet from a Surface instead of an iPad?" The original post got deleted after that, which makes sense since the two products are in direct competition with each other. Alright guys, that was our part 3 list. I'm gonna end this video with some comments from celebrities who destroyed their careers in seconds in 2020 part 3. Jenny Toyo says, anyone else think Perez Hilton looks super weird since he lost all that weight? I wouldn't say he looks super weird. He looks different though, but I think he looks good considering. Kay Wallace 03074 says, I watched this while getting stitches and got me to smile, was not feeling good. Love Joss, hope you are feeling good too. Thank you, I am. I can't believe you watched this while getting stitches. JR Jones says, love Joss Bedard and your channel Sassy. It has been a good channel so far. Thank you. If you guys haven't checked out Sassy, go do it. MLG Gamer says, thanks Chris, I'm flattered. Because remember you said that you were his favorite. MLG Gamer says, I miss the studio and Chris. Oh.
I remember.
Yeah. Well, he says thanks. I wanted to relay the message. Alright guys, I am getting out of here. Make sure you guys subscribe so you don't miss our next video. I was your host, Joss Bedard. I'll see you next time.